Welcome to a journey of sensuality, connection, and intimacy. Today, we dive deep into a timeless guide that goes beyond its reputation. Join us as we explore the Kamasutra, a text that's much more than just a manual for lovemaking. The Kamasutra is often misunderstood as a mere sex manual. But it's so much more. It's a guide to a fulfilling and harmonious life. The Kamasutra, composed by Vatsyayana in ancient India, was a guide to a well-rounded life. The Kamasutra offers guidance on how to nurture love and emotional connection. It emphasizes the importance of communication, empathy, and understanding in a relationship. While it does explore the physical aspect, it does so with an emphasis on intimacy and desire. The Kamasutra teaches us that physical pleasure is a crucial part of a healthy, loving relationship. It also delves into a holistic approach to well-being. The Kamasutra suggests a balanced lifestyle that incorporates yoga, meditation, and Ayurveda. In conclusion, the Kamasutra is not just about sex. It's a timeless guide to love, intimacy, and living a fulfilling life. If you're interested in exploring the Kamasutra's wisdom, consider studying it as a comprehensive guide to enrich your relationships and well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Remember, the Kamasutra is more than just a manual, it's a treasure trove of wisdom.